Quick background behind these carabiners. I ordered some months ago that never showed up, but I promised them to my backers on Kickstarter. I've shipped most of the products for that Kickstarter, but I have 4 people's orders that I have not been able to ship because I'm missing those pry bars. So instead of buying more, I decided to make them because it would be quicker. I've never cut titanium before on a bandsaw, so we'll see how this goes. New glasses. My piece of stock is set up in my mod vices. I'm just gonna pop a couple holes in here as an operation 0 that'll let us hold the material on the fixture itself. I'm a little bit terrified, but I think it's ready to go. Do I have enough clearance on those screw heads? By my measurements, it was really close. So I'm gonna extend my tool stick out by just a little bit, so I'm confident it'll clear. Let's try this again. So far, so good. We just milled halfway down on the perimeter. Now we're going to chamfer and then come back and finish that perimeter. I started getting a second piece of titanium ready for when that material was done, but it got about 1.5 inches in and just stopped cutting. Apparently I killed my bandsaw blade and I don't have a spare. My tool's gone. Fortunately, this finished all the way through and it actually broke while air cutting these. It went to do a rapid from here to here and bonked the piece of material, which is what snapped it. And this is the stock after Op 1. I did change my program while this was running to cut all the way through the stock. Before I had like 5 thou stock to leave. And you can see that like it's kind of pushing through. But in the future, that'll cut all the way through like these other slots. I don't really know the best way to get these carabiners out of their frames without damaging them. It's not pretty, but I think I managed to get them out without damaging them. I just tried grinding off some of the onion skin. It kind of worked, but I think I'm better off with just a pair of pliers. So these almost fit in my fixture. They're really tight. So I'm going to widen up this fixture just a tad. So I did end up using my mallet to get it in there. And at this point, I don't think it needs any super glue. But this fixture will loosen up over time with wear, and then I'll probably have to start gluing it. Oh my gosh, I think it... Now, how do I get it out of here? I was smart enough to leave 2 little places there where I thought I could pry it out, but I left the floor the same as the floor of the rest of the pocket. I should have gone deeper to get underneath the carabiner. Yeah, the irony on me is not lost. I need a pry bar and I don't have one. I think this will work. I ground a bevel into a small Allen wrench. I think I can get in there and lever it out. Ow. Oh, I broke my Allen wrench. One down, 1 to go. And here's number 2. I am super happy with how these turned out. Moment of truth. Will it carabiner? It carabiners! Oh, that feels so nice. That's so good. I'm really happy with that. This is exactly what I wanted it to be. That is just the right amount of springiness. It's not gonna accidentally come unsprung, but it doesn't take a huge amount of force to open it. It's been a long day and I'm exhausted. If you wanna see what these look like when they're finished, I'm gonna put it in the next video. Thank you guys, I'll see you next time.